Ever since AI has become a hot topic in the tech industry, I've been of the opinion that AI will replace engineers. Maybe not all, but AI will replace some engineers. And I know there are some people who think AI would not replace engineers, AI would only make engineers more productive. But while I agree that it will make engineers more productive, I've always said that it will still replace some engineers. And then I came across this tweet. This tweet is from a few days ago. And in this tweet, you see the reason why I believe AI will replace some engineers. Also, just a few days ago, DEVIN, the first AI software engineer, was released. I actually talked about this in my previous video, highlighting some of my concerns or fears with the whole AI advancement in the tech space. You can check out that video. Anyways, let's come back to this tweet. Now, this tweet is from Sebastian. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. They're the CEO of Klarna. I actually have never used Klarna, but this is why the tweet stood out to me. So this is a breakthrough in practical application of AI. Klarna's AI assistant, powered by OpenAI, has in its first 4 weeks handled 2.3 million customer service chats, and the data and insight are staggering. Then some of the insight handles 2/3 of our customer service inquiries. Crazy. Higher accuracy leading to 25% reduction in repeat inquiries. Customer resolves their errands in 2 minutes versus 11 minutes. That's really good insight. Live 24/7 in over 23 markets, communicating in over 35 languages. That's crazy. Now here is the problem. It performs the equivalent job of 700 full-time agents. This is crazy. I mean, this is a good thing, right? It's a good thing that this AI service can handle the job of 700 full-time agents. But what is the bad thing about this? Well, if we read further, you'd see that in our case, customer service has been handled by, on average, 3,000 full-time agents employed by our customer service outsourcing partners. Now, this is the problem. Remember that the OpenAI service is handling the job of 700 full-time agents, and usually they need 3,000 full-time agents for their customer service, if I'm reading this correctly. Now, what this indirectly means, maybe not exactly, but it indirectly means that from these 3,000, 700 people would be losing their jobs. So maybe they are not losing their jobs, but then 700 people would be a bit too much for this company, especially when they already have a service which is already doing this with higher accuracy and all that. But in the longer term, as more companies adopt these technologies, we believe society needs to consider the impact. And this has always been my opinion on the whole AI advancement. As these AI tools get more effective, more generative, more creative, and more companies are adopting these technologies, then there's going to be a number of employees which will no longer be needed by these companies. And maybe you are thinking, oh, this is just customer service. Customer service is different from a technical engineer. Well, this is what you should understand. The whole AI advancement is touching different areas in tech. This is customer service, and just like I showed you earlier, this is DEVIN, the first AI software engineer. And like I also mentioned or emphasized in my previous video, this is version 1. So version 1 may have a lot of limitations which people have been highlighting in a couple of tweets I've been seeing. People have been saying, oh, this AI software engineer is not always correct. It has a low percentage accuracy and all of that. But again, this is version 1. And as tools like this get even more advanced, even if not every engineer is replaced, coming back to these figures here, even if the 3,000 full-time agents are not replaced, 700 will be replaced. And it doesn't stop there. As these tools get even more advanced and more advanced, this figure from 700 becomes 800, 900. It becomes a lot more. And that's why I said at the beginning that AI makes engineers more productive, yes. But when you think about it from a company's perspective, AI may not replace every engineer because the company will still need engineers for several other things, managing what the AI is doing, reviewing what the AI is doing, and all those stuff. But AI would replace some engineers, or a better way to put it is AI would replace the need for some engineers. These are my thoughts on AI and of course my concerns. I usually don't make videos like this on my channel talking about all of these AI tools, tech news and all of that, but I'm thinking of doing that more often now. So if you'd be interested to see more videos like that, please let me know in the comments. But again, if this is your first time here, I make videos on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, a lot of web development tools, simplifying them and showing you various tips and tricks that you can do with these tools. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button. And see you in my next video.